Good evening, everyone. Today our topic is about one of the world's best competitive video game, Dota 2. I'm Fan Yaqi.
I'm Yang Yuwei.
Welcome to
Dota
Dota
2
2
World. First, I will give a brief introduction to this popular and famous game. Dota 2 is a multiplayer online battle arena video game, and it's fully inherited from the original game Dota and separated from its previous Warcraft 3 engine.
At the initial stage of the game, the team can disable 5 from the 110 heroes and choose 5 for themselves. This ban-pick process usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Then they face 5 versus 5 against each other to destroy the home of the opposite and achieve victory.
To ensure that enough Dota players would take up Dota 2 and showcase the game's capabilities, Valve sponsored 16 accomplished Dota teams to compete at the international. The total price of the international 5 is more than $18 million.
The imitation of nowadays team analytics is lack of a professional data analysis who used to be coach or backup. By using big data and cloud, team don't need to be professional in it but can get much more accuracy result from the software we developed.
Dota Max is a special dataset which updates 800 million matches and 30 million account data in real time. With the data from the 700 million games, we can understand the performance of our teammates and the opponents.
Why we need to use big data technology now? Because after years of professional team development, the ability of the world-class players are very close. In Dota 2 competition, the battle begins at the ban-pick park, which will influence at least 15% of the result. The more preparation for the target ban-pick, the higher chance to win.
The target is to find out the new hero combinations so that the team can develop new strategies. With the historical data, the software will give a suggestion about how to ban the heroes and the best hero choices from the team.
As for the process, the first step is downloading a small amount of data to find the algorithm. Secondly, we apply it to the big data and develop it into a mobile app. Since the data is not complex and the amount of data are huge, so the model can be applied and quickly to the real world with the low cost so that we can easily get benefit after we set up to the team. And we don't need to worry about the security because the data are provided by the teams and available publicity. Therefore, this is a new area without much competition, and I'm sure that it has a promising future. Let's do it.